Hi guys, this is Mrs. Watson. Right now, hopefully you have done problem 1084 and 1085, which it's asking you to think about a formula. And I think that it's sometimes hard to derive a formula. But the big thing I want you to remember is before we talked about something called a permutation. And if you remember, a permutation said that it was written like this. N, P, R, and what that meant was you would have N objects chosen R at a time. So N objects chosen R at a time. The thing I haven't told you yet is that in a permutation, order matters, okay? If you notice, we have talked about examples for permutations where an order does matter. For instance, we were choosing winners at a tennis tournament. If you have a tennis tournament, does it matter who's first, second, third, fourth? Yeah, that matters. It's a big deal. Likewise, it matters if we were, choosing, I don't know, a committee or something. There's just lots of different situations, but the big thing about permutation is order matters. Well, today you have situations that are called combinations, and in that situation, order doesn't matter, okay, in a combination. For instance, if you notice that the first problem, 1084, it talked about committee members. Does it matter how I choose the president, vice president, or secretary? Does order matter there? No, it doesn't. And a good thing to remember, too, is a permutation is often about places and individuals, and combinations are about groups. But the formula for a combination is NCR, and it's still N objects chosen R at a time, and it's N factorial over parenthesis R factorial over N minus R factorial. Okay? And let me just even that out just a little bit for you because it looks a little sloppy. So in this situation, order doesn't matter. Okay? I really liked this example I just wrote over here. And a poker hand is a combination of 5 cards from a 52 card deck. This is the combination since the order of the 5 card doesn't matter. Okay, that doesn't affect what order your cards are for you to win. You just have to have the 5 cards. That's a really good example. I think the ones in the books are pretty good too. So now that you know this information, can you please go on and do 1086 and 1087? And if you finish early, do the other worksheet that I have on here, the Google form with you and your partner. Thank you.